Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. I just wanted to let y'all know that on April the 11th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be having my live on Thursday. Come join me. We're going to talk all about my first year on YouTube. So I can't believe it. So come join me. 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, April the 11th on a Thursday. Bye-bye. Enjoy the video.
Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for being part of my community. Thank you for all of you who are new to the channel, who have just recently subscribed. I'm so grateful for that. So grateful for that. As a thank you gift for those of you who have subscribed previously and those of you who have subscribed recently and those who will subscribe in the future. Those who are watching, those who are commenting, those who are giving me the thumbs up, those who are sharing my content, everybody and every little bit that you do helps me. So what I'm giving away now is the sticker, and it is a laminated waterproof supposed to be sticker. I paid for lamination and waterproofing so that you can put them on your well, this is a Stanley Cup because you all know that I fell into Stanley craze, but I fell in for specific different reasons. And if you don't know why, go back and watch my video. If you do know why, put it in the comment boxes below and share with everybody else down there. So one of my complaints was that, you know, for 45 bucks, Stanley could only afford their logo on one side. I'm like, hello, why? So I had already had these in mind before, was to give out a sticker, and they were already in production. And then whenever I realized that, I was like, well, this will be perfect for the Stanley Cups. You know, I was having that future wavelength coming to me when I was ordering them. It's like, you know, for some reason told me, well, stickers would be great, stickers would be fun, people would like stickers. I'm like, well, where would people stick stickers with your logo on it? Why would they do that? And it's like, these are part of my, you know, it's like these inner battles I have with myself. And it's like, just order them, ding dong. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna order them. So I ordered them. Then I got into, then I purchased this, and then when I said I'm right-handed and boo nothing, and I was like, it's because it's leaving a space for my logo. So if you'd like a sticker with my logo on it, all you have to do is send me your address through my email, which is beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com, or via my Instagram messenger, which is the same name, beanbeautybagsit. Find me over there, send me a DM, and I will be more than happy to get this out to you, okay? This is coming from one of my favorite resellers that I've been keeping a secret from y'all. Yes, I'll put it up here, and her name is Kristen with the K. She has a YouTube channel. I found her through the thrift group that I'm part of, and that I thrift to, and I'm now sharing with y'all slowly, not too quickly, because I don't need more competition. I don't need more competition. I want to do service to the women who, and men, because there's gentlemen involved as well too, as to help their channels grow as they've helped my channel grow. I can't be selfish and keep all the sales to myself and all these wonderful items to myself, because I can't buy them all as much as I want to buy them all. And one of the lives, I don't even remember which live it was, and I was saying, I'm trying to slow down on doing this. I'm trying, as I'm typing this, I'm getting full of anxiety. Because it was like, do you really want to do that? And so I don't really want to do that, but I'm just trying to broaden my horizons and trying to be a little bit more selective as to what I want to bring into my collection now, because it is quite significant, and there's still plenty that y'all have not seen yet that throughout this next year that I will be showing y'all. And the difference between my content and others' contents, when I hold things back, is I'm not holding them back. I parcel them out throughout the year. And since they're thrift finds, you know, and on the secondhand market, it's not like something that's hot new that's coming out right now. It's things that you could go and still look for. So Kristen's channel name, it's Kristen, Kristend. I'll put it up here, and it's Another Chance Resale. Now hers are a little bit different. She holds purse sales. She does a lot of jewelry sales, and she buys a lot of the, what are they called, the thrift boxes, the thrift thread up boxes. She'll buy the Goodwill big mystery boxes and the American thrift store boxes, and she does a lot of those. What a lot of hers are is that she'll film her unboxings, and as she's going through them, she's assessing them and she's putting a price for it. She sells on the various other platforms, but those are higher prices than if you purchase through YouTube. YouTube, she gives a way deeper discount than she would put it on those markets. So it's like one of those to where you want to get it before it hits those markets, because once it hits those markets, you're paying the higher price. So you want to, if you want something, she gives you about 2 opportunities for them to cycle through her repertoire before she sends them to this point on the other markets, because those charge fees and things like that. But she'll do these live jewelry sales, which I love. I have several items for her, and I was trying to find, I know I have another order, I just couldn't, I don't know where I put it at, because it had some smaller jewelry goods for it, unless you put them all in one box, in one bag, which I don't think so. When I watch those, you panic because everybody else is watching them too, and everybody else is waiting for her stuff to come out, and you have to claim it by sending her an email. And there's only been one day that I was able to catch it, like in the first 5 or 10 minutes that she released it, so I had my pick of everything. But as her sales come in, she'll put them in the comment box and pin it and say, in alphabetical order, what has sold and what's pending payments. So you have to look on there, but it's like, it makes me so nervous. So it's like you try to fast forward, but then you miss, and you're trying to go slow, but then you're gonna lose what's at the end, because people jump forward and what have you. And I'm like, I don't like those. Although I shop and I watch them all, but I don't like those. They're too nerve-wracking because I want to buy them. And then she does the same thing with the jewelry. So let me get into this bag. Has a beautiful dog, and his name is Dallas, and he gives her just as much trouble as my dogs give me. So it's like I'm safe at home when I watch her. I love it. This is how she has it all nicely bubble wrapped, and it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." I love all those little tags. They take the time out to get just something a little bit extra and a little bit more special to do that. This was, okay, so this was the one that I actually got to catch it in the first few minutes. This is a Vera Bradley little bag here, crossbody. I liked it because I thought this would be great, nice and lightweight. And I know I say this over and over and over to y'all that, I like to use these when I travel, when we go on vacation. But it's just, these bags are very lightweight. I don't have to worry about them getting dirty, because you can pop them in the wash machine, or you can wash them down really well with the washcloth. They're very well made. But this is cute. This has the little front zipper here that you can put stuff. Lots of organizational stuff, makes things easier. Has a magnetic opening here. It has your room for your driver's license there, or identification. So I can always put my room key there if I want to take this out for dinner. You can have your slots for your credit cards here, the front and the back. You have a little zipper here. It just is full of little hidden compartments. I think I showed you all the inside, just a plain inside. This one, I really like this one. This one was so interesting to me. This is a canvas bag. I've never heard of the brand before, but it was like she said it was like a canteen bag. Oh, okay, there's more inside. But here, since it's got these in here, it just feeds through there. And I just thought that was interesting. Nice little shoulder bag, and I think you can make it across with some nice olive color, which I'm liking the olive right now. So that was neat. I just thought it was the neatest thing. It's nice canvas, but like army canvas or something, Let me open it up and see if I can find the name. Oh yeah, it's a John Galt from Switzerland. I don't have no idea, but John Galt from Switzerland. And I just thought it was neat. And here's all the little goodies on the inside. So this one right here, it's a fancy. She said when she saw this that she knew that it was going to be, it was definitely one that I'd like. And is she cute? Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Here's the front, the side, the back, bottom, and the top. And she's cute. I mean, this is definitely a mini bag. Look, it even has the little dog leash for your keys. Has a back pocket. It has the little Dooney logo here. And I'm trying to see. Yeah, and it has a Dooney tag, but I don't think I can take the lining out. Yeah, I can't take the lining out. So the Dooney tag is way back there in the corner because y'all know how I feel about the not buying the Dooney tag. If it doesn't have a Dooney tag, only the SLGs don't have them, but this one's actually considered a handbag. So this is so cute. I have another teeny tiny bag. That one up there, I don't think you can see it, but it's a Coach one. I think this is my first tiny bag. I know I bid on one time, but I didn't get it. But this is so cute. So I got this one, snagged that one. What else is in here? Here is that pattern. I love this one. This is just a pochette little bag. Front, side, back, bottom, top. What I like about this was this is my pattern that I really love. One of my favorite patterns. Don't ask me what it is called because I don't know. But I like that it has this ruching here, this all right here. I don't know if you could see it. You know, it pulls up here, gathering and everything. I just think that's so great. It has the little hard bottom, and it has, there's the inside. And I I already told you on an upcoming episode, I have a bedspread in this color that I use for when I used to do my retreats. I used to help with the retreats a lot at our church. And see, Kristen's small. Well, that sort of fits. Kristen's teeny tiny. So that's like a good drop for her. But let's see if this will fit as a crossbody, and it will. Yay! That'll be great. Love that. It's so cute. So cute. I have so many options now. I like that. I have this John Galt. Oh, there's something else in here. Canvas bag. Oh, I did. Okay, this is my jewelry. She put it in here. But that's why, because she stuffed it in bags and bags and bags. I had asked if she had any brooches because I like brooches. And she did. So here is a really delicate, I don't know what the name of it is, but I'll show y'all. It's kind of like a hat pin. Whoa. Look at that. I want to say it was sterling silver, but I could be wrong. So I would just wear like this. Ta-da. So there's a pin there. Here is a road runner. Nice, big, chunky road runner. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, he's heavy. Kristen, I don't know if Kristen said, if you said how heavy he was. He's heavy, even though he's hollow. He's very beautiful. It doesn't look like he's missing any rhinestones. As I was saying, I don't remember, because some of them, will miss things and they'll call them out to you, and then you still like decide you want to buy it or what have you. But let's see. This is going to make my dress fall down. I'm going to have all my pins on here. There. Yeah, see, he's pulling my dress down. Yeah, because he's sagging a little bit. Okay. Oh, I remember this one now. This is kind of creepy. This is a, I don't know why I bought this one, just because it was like, ooh, feels weird, Kristen. It's a poodle dog with a bow. It's made from some kind of animal hair. I don't know. But these were all the rage in like the 40s and like that. So I don't know if I'll be wearing this one or not, but I got it just to have it for my collection. And if I find the right thing to wear with it, you know, it work. But it feels creepy. He's going back to sleep. Yeah, we're gonna let him go to sleep. Okay, so that is all the stuff off of this one. I haven't purchased that many because I just found Kristen's channel. I've known her for a while through the groups, but I didn't know she had a channel and that she was reselling. So once I found her, of course, I bought some things, just a few things, not too many, just a few. But I thought y'all would enjoy that. And she has been on my lives. She has given my channel shout outs. She has watches my videos. And let me take this off because I see I could be in compromising situation. I really found a good friend in her on that one, because she has just been a dream come true with everything. She's just been wonderful. So go check her out. She will post when she has her lives. Usually she has a newsletter that comes out. She has all kinds of things that she's doing that you can sign up for, and it helps let you know whether or not when she's going to be posting lives or sales or things. She has a Facebook group. That was the other thing too, Facebook group. It's good to get into the Facebook group because you get a little bit ahead notice when she's going to be dropping the next video. So that helps as well too. So don't forget to go over there and check her out. If you'd like a sticker, please let me know by sending me an email or a DM on Instagram, and I'll be happy to get one in the mail to you when I mail them out at the end of the week. Thank you very much, Bean Beauties, for everything. Love y'all. Bye-bye.